students. Today we are going to discuss about hydrosphere, which is in the 5th standard social science, term 2, lesson 2, geography part, hydrosphere. In the last class we have discussed about the types of water bodies. Today we are going to see the bay, lagoon, strait and waterfalls, because already we have discussed about oceans, sea, river, lakes, gulf and bay, and the remaining lagoon, strait and waterfalls. Okay, let us move to the topics. Lagoon. The topic lagoon. Lagoon is nothing but the lagoon, a stretch of salt water separate from the sea by a low sandbank. This is called lagoon. For the example, in our India we have the lake Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is a very important example for this lagoon. One more, a stretch of salt water separate from the sea by a low sand banks. This is called lagoon. Okay. Next topic, strait. A strait is a narrow stretch which joins two larger water bodies. For example, seas, oceans and some other water bodies, but in the larger sense. Okay, so which joins two larger water bodies. For the example, Park Strait joined the Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. This is strait. This is called strait. The next topic is waterfalls. Waterfalls forms when a river flows from a great height. It's called waterfalls. For the example, Kutralam waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Waterfalls, great height area. Close. Kutralam waterfalls. Okay students, we have discussed a lot of the different types of the water bodies. Oceans, rivers, gulf, bay, lakes, lagoon, strait and at last waterfalls. So I think you have understood this topic, the types of water bodies. Now we are going to move how to conserve the water, conservation of water bodies. Okay students, we should be very careful about how we use the water. We have to choose to conserve water resources or pollute them further. Water pollution is a common phenomenon around us.
We throw garbage,
join sewage to rivers and so on, making river water contaminated and not fit for use. This increases the scarcity of water for household use. Do you know water scarcity? Do you know, children, water scarcity? Children, we faced it too. The whole of Tamil Nadu faced a huge water crisis. So, we should come up with a step to use water thoughtfully. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss. Children, you can easily do this. Conserve the water. Children, you can easily do these steps. For bath, take a water in a bucket for bathing instead of using shower. For washing, after washing vessels or anything, check if the taps are closed. This is very important point because the water is very important for human, not only human, all the living things.
Okay, thank you, students.